Hi everyone, this is Learning with Linda, and today I bring you the information for the 37 states that have been approved for summer P EBT for the year of 2021. I'm also going to be providing you with the payout dates as well. Finally, we're going to be talking about the child tax credit if you're having issues, missing payments, or even receiving the wrong amount. Stay tuned to ensure that you receive these updates. Now, before we get started, if you are interested in the latest news regarding stimulus, taxes, child tax credit, SNAP, P EBT, and everything in between, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button down below. Now let's get right to it. So first, let's talk about the child tax credit problems. If you have delays with your payments, you're receiving the wrong amount, or if your payment is missing. So the easiest way to check how you will be receiving your money every month will be through the IRS Update Portal. Through the IRS Update Portal, you can actually check your bank account information if it's needed or if you need to update it. And also, it will tell you how you're expecting your payment. So it'll tell you if you're going to receive it online or via mail. So the IRS recently issued a statement stating that a small percentage of households who receive their payment through direct deposit in July will be receiving it through the mail in August. So of course, the IRS hopes to resolve this issue before the next payment is issued out by September. So if you haven't received your payment or if you don't know how you're going to be receiving it next month, make sure you check out the IRS Update Portal. And finally, according to the White House website, transactions will contain the company name IRS TREA 310 with a description of Child CTC. Make sure you don't get these payments confused with the stimulus payments. So other reasons why you may have not received your payment is you didn't file a 2019 or 2020 tax return. So if you didn't file, you must go through the IRS non-filer portal, and I will be putting the link in the video description box. Another reason why you may have not received your payment is that your payment may be coming through mail. Once again, you can check this through the IRS portal website. And according to the IRS, you should give it about up to 4 weeks for your mail check to arrive. Another reason could be that your new baby or adopted dependent became part of your household after you filed your 2020 tax return, and you're not able to update those details in the IRS portal just yet. And then your household circumstances in 2020 disqualified you, even though your situation might have changed for the year of 2021, and one reason could be that your income was possibly too high. And if you can't find a reason as to why you haven't received your payment just yet, it may be time to file a payment trace with the IRS. So here are some guidelines as to when to request a payment trace. So if through the IRS portal website it states that you're going to be receiving a direct deposit, you should give it about 5 days. If it states your check is to be mailed and it's going to be mailed to a standard address, give it up to 4 weeks. If your check is to be mailed to a forwarded address, give it up to 6 weeks. And if your check is to be mailed to a foreign address, give it up to 9 weeks. Now, for those who wish to move forward with the IRS trace, how can you do this? So this is how. First, you must print and mail the form 3911, which is in a standard form PDF from the IRS website. So here are some tips for how to fill it out. You must be specific about the payment you'd like to track. So for example, if you want to track the payment for August, you must state on there child tax credit payment for August. If you filed your taxes jointly, both parents will need to sign the form as well. And then finally, you'll need to mail the form where you would usually send a paper tax return in your area, and you must allow for 60 days for a response. So there have been situations where families may have received a payment only in August but not in July. So why is this happening? So this means that your total advance credit will be divided over 5 months instead of 6 months. Once again, this is only if you received your payment, your first payment I should say, in August. And this will result, of course, in larger advance monthly payments. So if you have a child under the age of 6, your payment should look about $360 monthly payment. And if your child is between the ages of 6 through 17, your monthly payment could be about $300. So I actually have a family member who also did not receive a payment in July. Of course, we were sitting there wondering what's happening. And then the payment came just yesterday for August. And she has a child that is 16 years of age. So of course, we were expecting originally a $250 payment, but instead she received a $300 payment. And once again, that is because her first payment arrived in August. And so she should be expecting only 5 payments in the next 5 months. Now, let me know in the comment section down below if you received a higher amount than you were initially expecting for the month of August. And also, which state are you watching from? Moving on to summer P EBT. So here we have the daily rate totals and the standard benefit amounts for the contiguous United States, Alaska, Hawaii, and Puerto Rico. So in case you're wondering how the standard benefit amount is being determined, here is how. So essentially, for example, the contiguous United States is paying for a lunch, breakfast, and a snack for each child. So the daily rate total for that would be $6.82. And according to the chart, Alaska is $10.99, and Hawaii, Guam, Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico, it's $7.97. So what the federal government did is they multiplied this daily rate total times the median length of the covered summer period, which is the 55 days. And that is how you get the standard benefit amount. So for the contiguous United States, it's $300.75, Alaska $604, and Hawaii, Guam, Virgin Islands, and Puerto Rico, it is $438. So here are the 37 states that have been approved for summer P EBT. And they are Alabama at $375, Alaska $604, Arizona $375, Arkansas $375, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, District of Columbia, all at $375, Hawaii $438, Illinois $375, and Indiana at $375. Next we have Iowa $375, Kansas $375, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, and Massachusetts, along with Michigan, all at $375, Minnesota $430, Nebraska $375, and New Jersey $375. North Carolina $375, Ohio, Pennsylvania $375, Puerto Rico $438, Rhode Island $375, South Carolina $375. Next we have Tennessee $375, Utah $375, along with Vermont, Virginia, Washington, West Virginia, and Wisconsin, all at $375. Now remember, these are the 37 states that have been approved for the summer P EBT. Now let's look at those payout dates. The state of Alabama is issuing a one-time payment from September 10th through the 23rd, Alaska one-time payment in early September, Arizona one-time payment in August, Arkansas one-time payment on July 21st, California one-time payment in December, Colorado one-time payment in late October. Next we have the state of Connecticut issuing a one-time payment in September 18th for children who receive SNAP, TANF, Medicaid benefits, and on September 25th for all other eligible children. Next, we have the state of Delaware issuing a one-time payment for the entire summer period for all known eligible children on July 8th, and then children newly identified as eligible on July 29th, August 19th, and September 9th. Next, we have the District of Columbia issuing a one-time payment on August 25th, Hawaii issuing 2 payments, one in July and one in August. Illinois one-time payment from August 11th through the 20th. And finally, we have Indiana one-time payment in mid-June. Next, we have the state of Iowa issuing 2 payments. And so the first half is going to be from August 11th through the 20th, and the next half would be September 11th through the 20th. Kansas will be issuing a one-time payment on September 20th. Kentucky, one-time payment in August. Louisiana, one-time payment in August as well. Maine, one-time payment in September. Maryland will be issuing 2 payments, half in September and half in October. Massachusetts, 2 payments on July 1st and then August 1st. Michigan, one-time payment on August 14th. Minnesota will be issuing 2 payments, one in July and one in September. Montana, one-time payment in August. Nebraska, one-time payment on September 8th. And we have New Jersey issuing a one-time payment in August. Next, we have the state of North Carolina issuing a one-time payment in mid-June. Ohio will be issuing 2 payments, one in June and one at the end of July. Pennsylvania, one-time payment from September 13th through the 24th. Puerto Rico, one-time payment in July. Rhode Island will be issuing 2 payments, one in mid-July and one mid-August. South Carolina will be issuing 2 payments, one in mid-August and one in September 30th. The state of Tennessee will be issuing one-time payment in July. Utah will be issuing 2 payments at the end of August. Vermont, one-time payment in July. And Virginia, one-time payment at the end of August. Washington will be issuing a one-time payment in July, and West Virginia, one-time payment on July 12th. Wisconsin, one-time payment on August 21st. And just as a side note, for those in the state of New York and state of Texas, unfortunately, the payout dates have not been added just yet. Of course, we hope this information is available to us very soon. Now, if you didn't receive the summer P EBT payment, make sure you check out the SNAP State Directory of Resources, where you can find specific information for your state. I will be putting the link in the video description box. And that is all the updates that I have for today. Remember to turn on your notifications button to know when I have uploaded a new video. See you next time.